from Piece Quilt Shop in Pelham, New Hampshire, but we're not in Pelham, New Hampshire. And we're with a special friend here. Everyone, meet Jason Yenter here from In the Beginning Fabrics. We did just some serious shopping, so can't wait to show you all.
They bought it all. You can find it at their store. It's going to be fun.
Absolutely.
Oh, no, we forgot the dragons.
We'll get the dragons. We'll post the dragons. But Jason, tell us a little bit about what's going on behind us.
Well, this is my new La Luna collection. It's coming out this fall. They bought it all. So I've always wanted to do a moon collection. And this, finally it all came together. It also has some bits of silver metallic on it for a little extra bling. So there's some beautiful artwork. We got some dolphins down here. And some really pretty lunar moths and a big vein panel. So I hope, I think people will do some really cool things with it. It's kind of a fantasy.
We're gonna get it close up.
This is gorgeous.
Just lots of little pieces. There's this print, again, has lots of little intricate designs to it. The border print, I think people will do some really pretty things with. And just. When I do a collection, I always get excited to see what other people do with it besides, the quilt that I designed. So hopefully you'll see it at bits and pieces and do some cool things.
Cool. And then what else we got on the table?
Oh, we got all sorts of stuff. So blooming day and night they got. This will be coming in the fall as well. This is two different applique quilts. And then there's also a really cool strip piece quilt.
Look at this. Tammy's so excited.
I am.
Yeah.
I can't do it one-handed.
That's okay. You can't do it one-handed. Pretty cool.
Look at this.
We are not going to hold you up because you have a lot of fabric to sell.
I
and
do.
Since I forgot to order the dragons, just write me up for blue and red 24.
You can do that.
And we'll come back and pick that up later.
No problem.
Can you show that?
What?
He's been highlighting this all week on his page.
You guys are gonna be like,
If I can show it very well.
losing
but-
your
Look at that.
Steampunk.
Steampunk coming soon. Joanne, if you're watching, this is for you. Look at this. Okay. Look at that. Yeah. Ready?
Watch this, guys. Because this is...
Yeah, look at this panel.
Check out the animals. The detail on them is amazing.
And of course, it's Jason Yenter.
Look at this owl.
Look at that.
You know how I all feel about birds, guys? But this guy is
no. And you know how the boss loves owls. Look at that.
The zebra.
This is shipping in November, December. I don't remember. December 2025.
The peacock is stunning.
Oh, yeah, isn't it? Yep. Perfect.
So you'll have to go down and take some pictures of the Fantasy Quilt Show.
We did already.
Oh, you did already?
We did. We're going to post them later. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you very much, Jason. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.